Hello, everyone, and welcome. In the next couple of minutes, I'll give you a brief introduction to research methodology and some of the most common ways we collect data. Research is essentially a systematic process of gathering and analyzing real-world information in order to discover new insights. It helps us understand phenomena, test ideas, and make informed decisions. We usually talk about two main approaches to data collection: quantitative and qualitative research. Quantitative research focuses on numerical data. It allows us to measure and quantify different aspects of a phenomenon. The advantages of this approach include the ability to work with large samples, to standardize data, and to analyze results using statistical methods. Examples of quantitative techniques include surveys, tests, content analysis, and the use of existing secondary data. Hello, everyone, and welcome. On the other hand, qualitative research deals with information that is mostly descriptive, such as gender, nationality, personal experiences, or attitudes. This approach includes methods like observation, interviews, roundtable discussions, and case studies. Although qualitative data often provide deeper insights, they can be difficult to quantify, harder to compare, and are typically collected from smaller samples, which limits generalization. They also rely more heavily on subjective interpretation. In computer-mediated communication, the most commonly used data collection methods include surveys, interviews, case studies, and observation. Let's briefly look at each. Surveys use structured questionnaires to gather information from a larger number of internet users. They help measure attitudes, opinions, preferences, motivations, and behaviors. Survey data is usually analyzed using quantitative methods, although open-ended questions may require qualitative analysis. Interviews involve speaking with participants using predefined topics or questions. They are especially useful for exploring internet users' opinions and attitudes in depth. Interviews can also help researchers refine future survey questions or develop hypotheses. Case studies involve an in-depth examination of a particular person, group, event, product, or service. They aim to help us understand the core of a problem and explore the reasons behind certain situations. Case studies are particularly valuable when we want to answer questions like how or why something occurs in online communication. Overall, research methodology provides us with structured tools to explore the internet and its users, as well as to transform data into meaningful knowledge. Thank you for listening.